Whether using an Android or iPhone, privacy is a must. And if you're watching this video, then you definitely need an app lock for your iPhone. Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in this video, we'll be learning a simple, free, and effective way to lock any of your iPhone applications without even using any of the third-party apps. So, let's get started. Many of you might be disappointed when you got to know that iPhones are premium devices, but they don't come up with any of the built-in app lock system for all apps. Sure, apps like WhatsApp and banking apps comes with built-in app lock system for you, like the Face ID or passcode. But what about the others? What about your Instagram? What about your TikTok? What about your Snapchat? They don't have any of these options. It's frustrating, right? So let's solve the problem once and for all. First of all, open up your Shortcuts application on your iPhone, and don't worry if you haven't used it before, it's already installed in your device. Then tap on Automation at the bottom of the screen. Now here you might be getting an option of creating a new automation at the center, or you'll be getting on the top right a plus icon to create a personal automation. Now scroll down and select App first. Choose the app you want to lock. For example, let's lock our Photos application. After selecting the app, make sure is open is checked and tap on Next. Now tap Add Action and search for Lock Screen and select it. Tap Next, turn off Ask Before Running and confirm by tapping Don't Ask. Finally, disable Notify When Run and tap Done, and your automation is set up. Now let's test it. Since it's not my device, my Face ID is not here. So I'm opening the Photos application and see, the next moment it's automatically locked up. And the same procedure is available for any of the app if you use the same method. It's an excellent method to keep your app secure when you hand over, especially your phone, to someone else. However, this won't stop the people who already know your passcode or have their face recognition locked in your phone. So keep that in your mind. And that's all in this video, how to lock up apps in your iPhones in a simple and free method. And if you find this video useful and informative, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts, and what else you have to do. Just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I'll meet you in the next one.